front of me is OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this OPPO. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down right away. Then choose password and security, click on lock screen password, wait 5 seconds and choose continue. Following that, you need to select one of those options. I will go with pattern and enter your login method. Then repeat it, and now if you wish to add your fingerprint, you can do that by choosing add and following all the instructions. I don't want to though, so I will go with cancel. And now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!